Hello everyone, my name is Taha and let us discuss the transformation of the textile industry into a circular economy. It will be a monumental shift towards sustainability, resource efficiency, and economic viability in each and every industry in this era. The textile industry is known for its resource intensive practices and it is now embracing a new era of eco friendliness. The textile industry uses a lot of water and resources. At the heart of this transition would be principles like recycling, waste reduction, and reuse of materials. These practices can not only contribute to a cleaner environment but will also result in substantial cost savings. So, let us discuss how innovation could play a pivotal role. First, let us start with an example. Companies like Zara waste a lot of resources in fast fashion. Their products are used less and discarded early, which leads to unsustainable amounts of waste. Technologies like IoT tracking and blockchain can revolutionize how we manage textiles. They enhance circular practices by enabling us to monitor and trace the life cycle of garments. Ensuring that these are efficiently recycled and repurposed will be the prime motive. Practicality and scalability have to be our key considerations as we try to make these changes industry wide. Um, we also acknowledge that social impact is as important as economical and technological impact. We should try to create new opportunities for businesses and individuals so that they take up the innovations. However, they will also consider costs and government regulations as they need to be complied by. The commitment to these principles will help us to build a textile industry that is both sustainable and profitable.
Hi, my name is Aryan. In the second slide of our presentation, let's dwell into the introductory overview of the textile industry. This industry, often taken for granted, is the backbone of our daily lives, shaping the fabrics we wear, the textiles in our homes, and even the materials in various industrial applications. The textile industry encompasses a vast array of processes, starting from the manufacturing of fibers, whether natural like cotton or synthetic like polyester. These fibers then undergo a complex journey through processes such as spinning, weaving, knitting, dyeing, and finishing, culminating in the creation of fabrics. These fabrics are the building blocks of countless products that we use and wear every day. From cotton fields to the high tech textile mills, and from intricate craftsmanship to cutting edge innovations, the textile industry is a global network that employs millions and has a profound impact on economies around the world. The industry's products include not only the clothing we wear but also essential items for our homes, such as bedding and upholstery. Moreover, it provides materials for a range of industrial sectors, including automotive, construction, and healthcare. As we move forward in our discussion on embracing a circular economy, it's crucial to understand the intricate tapestry of the textile industry and the significant role it plays in our lives and economies.
In this slide, let us discuss the concept of circular economy as it is crucial to understand that before discussing anything else. A circular economy represents a fundamental shift in how we approach economic systems. It's a philosophy that stands in contrast to the traditional take, make, and dispose linear model. Instead, it is designed to minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency. At its core, the circular economy is about keeping materials in use for as long as possible. It accomplishes this through a variety of strategies, including recycling, remanufacturing, and reusing. The ultimate goal is to close the loop, ensuring that resources are continually cycled through the system rather than being discarded as waste. There are various challenges with this notion, such as trying to eliminate all the waste altogether. It can be a win win scenario if we reduce the environmental impact, conserve our resources, and also in the process create more economic value. The circular economy can be a powerful tool to mitigate the environmental challenges that we are facing today, as it encourages sustainability, innovation, and responsible resource management. Now, let us continue to look into the textile industry's journey towards achieving a circular economy.
Thank you, Taha. In the fourth slide, we delve into the compelling benefits of shifting to a circular economy within the textile industry. This transformation promises a multitude of advantages, making it a win win proposition for all stakeholders. Firstly, resource efficiency takes center stage. In a circular economy, we optimize the utilization of resources. This means a significant reduction in our reliance on raw materials, which is not only a cost saving measure but also a way to alleviate the strain on our planet's finite resources. By keeping materials in use for longer through recycling and reusing, we reduce the need for constant extraction and production of new resources, fostering sustainability. The second key benefit is cost savings. By reusing materials and implementing efficient production processes, the textile industry can significantly decrease costs. This doesn't just make economic sense, it also improves profitability. The reduced waste, energy efficiency, and streamlined processes all contribute to a more competitive and resilient industry. Perhaps the most important, a circular economy brings us closer to our goal of eco friendliness. It drastically reduces the industry's environmental footprint. Fewer raw materials, less waste, and more responsible resource management contribute to a cleaner, greener future. This transition aligns the textile industry with global efforts to combat climate change and environmental degradation. In conclusion, the benefits of embracing a circular economy within the textile industry are profound. Resource efficiency, cost savings, and eco friendliness make this transition not only a responsible choice but also a smart one. Thank you for your attention.
Let us dive into the key elements that constitute a circular economy, which are integral to textile industry's transformation. These elements are the building blocks of sustainable and responsible resource management. First, we have to recycle. Recycling involves transformation of waste materials into new products or materials that can be reused. In the textile industry, this means taking the old garments and fabrics and repurposing them into new textiles. This significantly reduces the need for virgin resources, which is a pivotal step in reducing the industry's environmental footprint. Secondly, waste reduction will be very crucial. This involves minimizing waste generation during manufacturing. By streamlining and optimizing manufacturing processes, we can cut down environmental impact and reduce the volume of waste that would otherwise end up in landfills or be incinerated, causing harm to our planet by releasing carbon dioxide. Lastly, reusing materials will be another fundamental component. Prolonging the lifespan of products that are already in use by repairing them, refurbishing them, will be of will be very crucial. This approach helps focuses on minimizing the need for constant production of new items and contribute to a more sustainable and a more responsible industry. These were the key elements, namely recycling, waste reduction, and reusing materials that will be the cornerstones of circular economy in the textile industry.
Now, we dwell into the profound impact of a circular economy on the environment, specifically focusing on textile industry's contribution to mitigating the environmental challenges. Firstly, a circular economy leads to a remarkable reduction in carbon footprint of the textile industry. By reducing waste and increasing resource efficiency, we significantly decrease the carbon emissions. Fewer discarded materials and more responsible resource management not only conserves resources but also reduces the energy needed for constant production of new ones. This results in substantial decrease in greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to our efforts to combat climate change and moving on to a greener world. Secondly, a circular economy improves water efficiency. Sustainable practices encouraged by a circular economy promote water conservation. The textile industry relies heavily on water for dyeing, finishing, and other processes. By implementing circular practices, we ensure responsible freshwater use in textile production, helping to alleviate the strain on our planet's precious water resources. Lastly, resource conservation is a pivotal outcome of a circular economy. By extending the lifespan of materials and embracing the circular practices, we preserve valuable resources for future generations. This not only ensures a more sustainable future but also reduces the environmental impact of resource extraction, which often involves habitat destruction and energy intensive processes. In conclusion, the impact of a circular economy on environment is profound. Carbon footprint reduction, water efficiency improvement, and resource conservation are essential pillars in our quest for a cleaner, greener planet.
Now, let us introduce some innovative technologies that are driving circular practices within the textile, which could drive circular practices within the textile industry. These cutting edge tools are reshaping the industry and will be crucial to promote sustainability and enhance responsible resource management. Firstly, we have IoT tracking or Internet of Things. It empowers us with real time monitoring capabilities, and this will allow us to track the entire life cycle of textile products from production to consumer use and ultimately recycling. By optimizing the usage of these products, we can extend their lifespan and facilitate more efficient recycling processes. The real time insight also ensures that the resources are used wisely and the waste is minimized. Secondly, blockchain technology plays a pivotal role in promoting circular practices. Blockchain provides transparency and security in supply chains, enabling traceability of products and materials. This will not only ensure the authenticity of materials but also promote ethical and sustainable sourcing. It is a powerful tool which will help us verify the materials which have been if they have been responsibly obtained or not, processed responsibly or not, and they align with the textile industry values of a circular economy. Incorporating these innovative technologies into the industry will make the industry more responsible and ensure efficient resource management. These advancements will be a way to our way to the circular economy.
Now, we examine the practicality, scalability, and social impact of embracing circular economy practices within the textile industry. These aspects are vital in ensuring the success and wide adaptation of this transformative approach. First and foremost, circular economy practices are designed with practicality in mind. They are not just theoretical ideas but strategies that can be seamlessly integrated into existing industrial processes. They offer a realistic path to sustainability, ensuring that the transition is feasible and attainable for textile businesses, no matter the size or their specializations. Scalability is another key feature. Circular economy practices are adaptable to various organizational sizes, from small local businesses to multinational corporations. The principles remain the same, but the strategies that can be customized to fit the unique needs and capacities of different companies. This flexibility ensures that the benefits of circular practices can be enjoyed across the entire textile industry. Perhaps one of the most significant aspects in the social impact, the shift towards a circular economy within the textile industry creates opportunities for job creation. As we repurpose materials, implementing recycling processes, and focus on sustainability, new roles and skills are required, generating more employment opportunities. This not only supports local economies but also strengthens the communities by offering them meaningful work that proves to be more greener for this world. In conclusion, the practicality, scalability, and social impact of this circular economic practices make them a viable and impactful choice for the textile industry. These practices empower businesses of all sizes to join the sustainable journey, creating a more eco friendly, efficient, and inclusive industry.
This slide is dedicated to the essential considerations when implementing circular economy practices within the textile industry. Cost and regulatory compliance will be pivotal factors that will demand our careful attention. Firstly, the cost of implementing circular economy practices must be thoroughly evaluated. While these practices offer substantial long-term benefits, there can be big initial investment and operational changes. It is crucial for businesses to understand the financial implications and the long-term implications and then make informed decisions to ensure the viability of these circular practices. These costs may include technology upgrades, process adjustments, workforce training, but the return on investment in these terms of resource efficiency and sustainability can be very significant. Secondly, regulatory compliance is paramount. Regulations and policies of local, national, and international levels plays crucial role in driving the adoption of circular practices. For example, the Indian government is working very hard to promote sustainable practices, which could be a positive for the businesses to invest in these technology. They are like the policies are instrumental in ensuring that the environmental protection and sustainable development goals are met. The textile industry must align with these regulations because it is essential to safeguard the environment, work safely, and manage resources responsibly in the long term. Both these considerations are very important for the success of circular economy in the textile industry. There are a few other minor factors which will also have to be taken into account.
As we reach our final slide of our presentation, let's summarize the transformative journey of this textile industry towards a circular economy. The transition to a circular economy offers a wealth of benefits for the textile industry. We have explored how it can improve resource efficiency, lead to substantial cost savings, and contribute to a more eco friendly and sustainable future. The key elements, such as recycling and waste reduction, are integral to reducing the industry's environmental impact and conserving valuable resources. Innovative technologies like Internet of Things, tracking, and blockchain enhance circular practices, emphasizing practicality, scalability, and social impact. These tools make the transition more tangible and effective, ensuring that circular practices become an integral part of the industry's operations. Lastly, we have recognized the importance of considerations for cost and regulatory compliance. Careful evaluation of implementation costs and alignment with regulations are essential to ensure the long term success of the textile industry's shift towards a circular economy and its practices. In conclusion, the textile industry's embrace of a circular economy marks a pivotal moment history in the industry's history. It offers the industry a path to resource efficiently, financial stability, and a brighter, more sustainable future. Thank you all for your attention as we explore this transformative journey and we look forward to a future where the textile industry leads the way in responsible resource management and sustainability.